Hi, it's Michael Gaffney. I've got stuff left over. I'm gonna try and do something new. I'm gonna do a little bit of cluster and zoning of the different materials. I've got these giant fern leaves that look like they come from the Washington, Seattle area. Look how pretty those are. Asiatic lilies. I'm gonna group these together. Let's do another kind of grouping design. I've got some spirea. I'm gonna group this together over there. So this is gonna be another wild one. Ripped from the northeast area of America. I've got one more stem of that. So let's say this is an all-around design, and on this side I'm going to shock them with a big bunch of red peonies. Shock your guests. They aren't expecting big bunches of peonies on this side. And then I've got some giant protea. Drop a big protea in the middle. Drop in another big protea. Elevate them a little bit. And do I dare? Can I even get this sucker in there? Yeah, needs it. I'm gonna try. So this is to be viewed from all around. Guests can come around this side, pick up more hors d'oeuvres at your party, but it needs a strong vertical line. And now it needs to all be adjusted. And I'm going to put a few little ferns down here to bring my eye down in this design, a few up front. Sometimes about the last few items you add that make it or break it. I'm going to work on, pull these up, they got squished in when I put in all these lilies, and just a few more items. Tell me what you think. This is for the entryway into your party, sitting on your kitchen counter, again with food and hors d'oeuvres and glasses all around the base for your guests to enjoy. Flowerschool101.com. See you in class. Go to the website, flowerschool101.com.